back runner. It's gonna slide this whole thing off. Bucket I got there. Shebang. Okay, we got that out the way. Let's slide my roller off. Okay, I have this socket to get my boat off my TV jumper. Breaker bar. Well, let's see what it does. Okay, got that nut off, and the whole truck moves. Now, I'm gonna wash it. Wash it there. Okay, I've tried everything to get my upper control arm off without damaging my grease boot. So I'm just going to try loosening up the bolts back here. See if I can slide it forward then down and get it out that way. Because this is not budging for some reason. I got penetrating oil. I tried my fork on it. Tried my crowbar. I hit it with my sledgehammer. Let's see, well, moving right along. Virtually to replacing my CV axle here. See, this one is busted really bad. Okay, I have my number 15 socket here. Deep well. Make my extension on my impact drill. And we're going to try to get these out. Okay, that's number 2. Number 2 out. Try this one down here. It's almost at an angle. Okay, well, came out. Okay, here they come. Okay, my last one has to be on the ground somewhere. Now I'm just going to see. Okay, I was able to get the shock absorber unbolt the bottom, and I can maneuver the rest of it out now. I got it down here. Just going to slide it backwards, and here it comes. So I did. Okay, just going to bank it out here and bring it down. Okay, we got him out. I have him on the ground here. This one I got from the junkyard. Off of a Suburban '02 Suburban, and this is the one I just taken off. That's what it looks like when it's out here, just on boats. On my front trans axle, my front gearbox, 4-wheel drive. I'm just gonna slide the other one back in. So far it's been almost an hour. Had a problem with the upper control arm. I didn't need to remove that. That's good to know. So I found this was a learning experience. I was going to be charged over $400 for this job, and my axle here was only about 32 bucks at the junkyard. We first got in. Slide them under here. CV axle ready to be bolted down. My replacement, and let's bolt them down. Just reverse the process and put everything back where you got it.